Hey guys, what's up? It is Rity and this is Rity DIY, and today we're going to be doing another DIY project. This one is a little bit different. I thrifted some old frames a while back, and then also I have this setup in our kitchen of just a lot of cute pictures of me and Connor throughout the years, and then now like pictures of Finn, and they're all either the little ones that you take like at the movie theater, whoever has those like photo booths, and then also we have a little Polaroid camera too. So it's a bunch of those, but as you can see in the clip I'm showing at some point, we have a lot of them, and the little, it's not a frame, the little thing that I have them on is not big enough for the amount of pictures we have. So I had this really cute idea to go ahead and take a thrifted old frame, clean it up a little bit. I didn't do any painting. I may come back and kind of sand it down and repaint it, but I kind of liked the thrifted look of it. And then to organize my pictures on it with some washi tape too. So let's see how it goes. So these are all my frames. I'm not going to show you all of them. This one back here is really cool because it has that glass. But anyways, I'm going to use this front one. It's pretty gross technically if you look at it. But like I said, I'm not going to paint it. I'm just going to try to clean it as best I can and leave kind of a rustic, I don't know if that's rustic, leaving it dirty, but I'm just going to clean it up a little bit, and don't mind the basketball goal in the reflection. So this is our cute little setup in the kitchen. Obviously there are like too many pictures, you can't even see them all, so I'm gonna try and fix that. So I'm done with the taping, and now I just need to get it put up on the wall, and then I think I'm gonna put some cute little lights around it. Hi, Caroline. Please don't eat that. Look how cute what my little baby is. I really don't know what I'm about to do with this, but here we go to the next part, I guess. So it's definitely a different day, but I just wanted to film also like me hanging it up and styling it. So I'm gonna do that real quick.
Come on, let's see.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. What do you think? Do you think that's pretty? Do you think it's pretty? Yep, that's Dada. Mama. Dada, Finn, those are all you.